Team White. Jump ball. Ball in favor of Team CBL. 2 points for A1 Cosino. Mr. Poki. Fran is here with me today. Who's going to take the win today, Fran?
Let's see. Team White is the defending champion, di ba?
Good shot.
Shout out to the viewers. Punong-puno tayo ngayon, ha? Sobrang daming tao sa taas. Tayo na lang yung iba. Number 11, Ruby Kubo. Number 11, Hesi. With a side step. Pasok. Sino gusto ko pa? Home court advantage. Number 26. Outside. One pass by number 26. Shoutout nga pala sa mag-finals MVP. Shoutout sa mga nakaupo dyan sa taas. Sumama ka na. Shoutout. Shoutout Sean. Redman. Fake man. Pass to Mario. Mario with a hook shot. Behind the board.
Si Rami, shoot ka yan.
Ito ang bagong komponent. ECE team. Pass number 8. Number 13. Nasa naman. Number 11. Anong pass? Sinarama ka rin. Hindi ba kayo mo? Set ball.
Si Rami.
40 to shoot. Number 11. With a heavy. Pass to. Outside by number 10. Bola ng number 1. Bola ng white. 6 seconds to shoot. 6 seconds. Rami. Redman. Pass to number 11. 2. Shot clock violation.
Dito Rami,
Redman, shout out kay Redman. Number 28, nagbabal bola. Basta ilalit na, magandang pasa.
Ber. Ber. Bigay si Rami. Pre, bigay si Rami. Pre.
Redman. Redman. Nakakawal ang bola. Fast break. Hulahabol. Set play, masyado mabilis. Ruben Arhead. Nakita ng referee. Malinaw ang mata ng referee natin. Kita-kita ang pagkagulang. Number 11. Shoutout kay Lian Salazar. Rami. Driving. Shooting. Rebound by number 8. Number 1 pala. 3 points. Out. Rebound by number 11. Number 11. Beauty foul. Second team foul. First personal foul. Tumira sa number 11. Side. Rebound ng pangalaga. Bench ba ito? Bench. Brown. Bench. Trophy. Number 26. 36. Pass to number 8. Cross pass. Drop pass. Napagandang pasahan. Beautiful basketball. Parang Spurs lang ah. Mga 2018 Spurs. Grabe, punong-puno po ang Lycee. Number 11. Tapal by number 3. Set plays by number 26. Number 26. Pass to number 1. Muntik na. Oh, nagkasundutan. Same ball. Time out. Coffee. So, how's the weather down, Nick?
Pasok nyo na si Jay. Dati pa ba na? Number 11 sa white. Pasok.
Nagkasundutan.
Puta coach ya. Coach Jay.
Back to the ball game. Bola lang. Coffee. 40 to shoot. Nice pass sa ilalim. Who's power up? Number 6. Rami. First free throw. Sablay by number 10. 4 minutes, time remaining of the first quarter. Second shot is good, but Redman. Rami. Rami with a hook shot. Sablay.
Tropa nila. Parang naglaro na siya. Ngayon pa lang natin. Pero tropa nila.
Number 11. Pass to Rami. Rami fake. Number 11. 40 to shoot. Redman. Fake. Stop it up. Pasok. Lista mo na yan. Lista mo na yan para kay Redman. Pakilista.
Parang utang ah.
Pakilista na yan. Utang daw, sabi ni Leon. Number 26. Tinaharas. Reaching foul by number 11.
Huli niya rin.
Reaching foul. Though reach yung blood. Number 26. Number 13. Pulang. Sablay. Rebound by yung 4. Pass to number 11. Number 11. Crossover. Number 26. Foul. Number 43. Number 43. Official score, 7-4. Lamang ang 7. Copy.
Yung pala. Kaya pala.
Number 13, rebound. Pasok by number 13. Number 11, Romero. Speed move. Nagpamadali. Wow!
Galing.
Jump crossover mo na yun. Number 8. Number 8, behind the back. With the line. Sablay, rebound by number 18. Pass to number 8. Pass to number 10. 3-second violation. Kasama sa play yun yung 3 seconds. Pinractice yun. Mario. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Redman. Redman. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Mario. Mario. Molong pass. Molong pass again. Outside. 20 seconds remaining. Last shot down sa bilang Coffee.
Number 11, pasok.
Number 26. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 13. Rami. 5. And the second quarter. First quarter pa lang. Practice lang. Tinitingnan ko lang kung gising ka, audience.
Sinaw mo eh.
Sobrang dami. Sobrang dami. Siksika sa taas. Pwede ba kayo maupo sa doon sa hagdan? Yung mga walang maupuan, sa hagdan na lang. Pasensya na po ha.
Hoy, walang tulukan, walang tulukan.
Oh, wala tulangan. Mga magkadapa na kayo dyan. Back to the board game.
Tayo na. Wala, dito mo.
Pinasok na.
Wala.
Ang secret weapon. Koji. Koji Bryant. Let's go.
Sobra kayo.
Pinasok din ang 3-point swing last season.
Yan na, puna titira agad yan.
Kay Jenna Marksman.
Number 11.
Number 17, kumuha agad ang bola.
Kabila ka, Jen! Kabila ka!
Behind back. Split yan din. What's the call? Ay, kulang lang isa ng Kobe.
Sabi niya, kulang. Sobra sila isa.
Kulang lang isa. Bali mo yata. Sobrang white. P6. Sobra white, sobra white.
Jay!
Sobra.
Jay!
Technical yan.
Jay!
Akala ko nga yun.
Uy!
Technical shot is good by number 6.
Huwag kung hindi kita si Rami, maghiwalay kayo.
Hindi lang nagkakaintindihan. Miscommunication.
Hindi lumabas. Bitin? Pesto! Pesto, bigyan!
Shout out to Yagmur. Yagmur. Fake. Yagmur with the mohawk pass to Jay. Fake. No look pass sa Kader.
Banda ng masa!
Outside. Bola lang Kobe.
Jay, boss na lang ha.
Bola lang Kobe. No look pass. Bumawi. No look pass sa Kader din. Dami na kasi sa Kader ha. Koji nagdadala ng bola. T-shirt Koji pala to. JJ! Kala ko magpapakilala na. Rima by Sani. Rain or shine Sani. Koji! Hinaharap. Pass shot! Yagmur! With a better! Pasok pa Yagmur! With a better! With a high fade! New cut, high fade! With a fade away! Number 7, tulong pa sa ilalim! Rima boy! Number 11, JJ! Pass to! Pass to number 6, kalaban pala! Nulong pa sa ilalim! Lista mo na, by number 13. Koji, nagdagala ng bola. Last 7 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. Koji, pass! Supply by Marlon MVP. Number 6. Nagdadala ng bola. Number 6. Libreng si number 7. Supply. Rebound. Bye. Rebound. Bye. Walang naka-rebound. Koji. Between the legs by Koji. Between the legs by Koji. Between the legs. Between the legs. Great. Pasa kay Sunny. Sunny. Miss Vivo. Tinaktak. Who's foul up? Number 14. First personal foul. Number 17. Naghahanap na pausahan. Koji. Koji dribbling the ball. Split the D. Umigot. Pass to Yagmur. Yagmur. Sunny with the fader. Sunny with the rebound by number 6. Long pass number 6. Kumali number 7. 6-7. Number 6 pass to number 7. 6-7. 2 free throw. Para kay number 7. 6-7. Mario. 2 Mars. First free throw is no good by number 7.
Uy, punta ka sa inyo niya. Bilang sila.
Second shot. Second shot. Sablay pa rin. 2 free throw missed. Koji. Koji. Naku po. Linting. Carrying the ball. Masyado mataas yung dribble ni Koji. Red, mababa lang kasi height niya. Kaya mo mataas. Number 6. Stop him up. Short. Rebound by Koji. Babawi. Babawi si Koji. Nagtitrip ka ng bola. Sumabay ka pa. Sumakay ka pa. Huwag ka lang malikot.
Okay, lang manana.
Layup by number 17 is good. Number 6. Pass to Boski. 3 points. Grabe number 7. Tinira na shoot. Koji nagbababa ng bola. Koji Dahesi. Dinadouble team. Dinadouble team. Nakagawan. Still completed by number. Pass to number 24. Number 34, the layup. Time out. Right. Hindi mag-aamuwi ng defending champion.
Wala ka kasi.
Pero, partner, dyan malakas yung yung white. Sa third fourth niya babawi. Ganyan yung last season eh. First, second, laging kung para mga pinta, nagpapabugbog muna yan sa umpisa. Back to the ball game. Last 4 minutes and 31 seconds remaining para sa ating second quarter. Denver with the heavy. Denver pasa kay Koji. Balik kay Denver. Pasa kay JJ. JJ! Ayaw pa magpakilala. Nahihiga. 3 points team yan last season. Koji with a steal drop. Foul! Number 23. Yan na. Nag-iinit na si Koji. Nagpapainit lang ng carburetor kanina yan.
Parang diesel ah.
First free throw is good para kay Koji. Yan na, na-breaking na.
Oh, may video dito, pampainit.
Second shot is good. Sabi ko naman sa inyo eh. Basta Koji, lista mo na. Lista mo na sa noisy. Number 24. 14 pala yun. Tumira na 3. Rebound by number 11. Grabe, anong height mo? Number 3, Denver, rebound ulit. Denver, running. Pass kay Youngbour. Speed move. Youngbour, naghanap na babasahan. Step through. Rebound. Foul. Foul. And one by Youngbour. Warning for third foul. Dalawa pa lang. Rebound. Power rebound by number 24. Number 14. Pass sa gilid. Drive in the lane. Stop it up. Supply. Rebound by. Jump ball. Save ball.
What's that?
Number 13.
What?
Pass to the corner. Pass to another corner. Pass to another corner. Pass to another corner. Binali mo sa ere. Rebound by. Grabe power rebound. Youngbour. Pass to number 3. Denver. Messi. Ganda ng Messi na yun. And one. Blocking ball by number 14. Time out. Who's time out? H. Foul counted para kay Finals MVP.
Jay, bukas na lang ha.
Okay na, napakit na namin. Uwi na kami.
Bukas na lang.
Okay na.
Inan.
Back to the ball game. Meron palang score dito. Official score. 14-17. In favor of 17. Team Beige, Team Kobe, Team Brownish, medyo brown.
Right. Pag may laro tayo, sino na? Wala. Si Eric Amat. Eric.
Denver. Makukompleto ba ang 3-point play?
Last season.
Pinagpag lang. 3-point play completed para kay Denver. Dalawa na lang ang kalabanan ng Kobe, medyo brown. Kulang sa pagka-brown yung brown eh. Long pass to number 7. Back to number 14. Number 14. Drop pass. Nakaharap si referee. Hindi ko makita. Jay. Pass to Denver.
Side.
Makakalamang ba? Makaka-all ba? Makakalamang? Denver. Drive in the lane. Save. Turn. Ay! Rebound by Youngbour. With a drive. Foul. Number 24. Number 24, tatlo ka na. Pangatlong beses mo na yan, ha? First shot by Yagbur. Nothing but net. Second shot. It's good again by Yagbur. All na. 10 lock, 17. Ganun-ganun lang. Nakahabol na ang team White. Number 14. 50 to shoot. Rebound by Yagbur. Pass to Koji. Koji. Nagmamadali. Koji nagmamadali. Pinaliwa pa. Ay, reverse na pala. Number 14. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Tumira na 3. Rebound pa rin ang mga naka-brownish. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 to shoot. With the crossover. Drama sa lalim. Foul by number 7. Yagbur. With the fake. And in the second quarter, 2 free throws coming para kay number 24, Kobe Bryant.
Oh, ano yung 24?
Sablay. Ginulat, ikaw men. Sablay niya may referee. Parang ano ah, next season commentator na lang din ako ah. Pilet. Team leader. Third quarter na pala. Si JJ ayaw mo magpakilala eh.
Ba't namimili pa?
Si JP.
Guys, kompleto to, diba? Kompleto to eh. Sila ako na. Oo, 11 nga sila eh. Ba't namimili?
Ano pala to? Villain story pala to kasi si JP kung alam niyo lang last season, dito yan sa kabilang team eh. Yan. Top 10 anyway trade. Ano trade?
Kolorum, Frank, kolorum.
Kalorum! Nag-jump shoot agad. Banduakan pala to si JP. Koji. Number 11, Redman. Ayan ang idol. Yan ang binabayaran talaga dyan. Si Redman. Rami, for 3. Almost in.
Diretso next! Diretso mo na!
Number 13, Rami Balaw. Kinaliwa pa. Magaling din pala ito mga liwa, brother. Number 11, hop. Muntik na maagawan, hop. Muntik na maagawan. Rami. Libreng-libre. Rami sa tulay. Maraming sinablay si Rami. Number 12, JP. Pass to number 10. Back to JP. Who's foul rep? Number 11. Foul by number 11. 2 shots yan.
Jay, pasok ka na, Jay!
Bawal magreklamo dyan kay Rep.
Para labas lang eh. Para makauwi na.
Oy! Ilaw! Ilaw! Masyadong malabo. Madilim yata. Second shot. Bah! Foul na rin ba? Labas sa number 10. Number 10, tumira ng 3. Sablay. Rebound by Koji. Pass to number 11. Number 11, pass to Rally. Rally. Dribbling the ball. Cross pass to Redman. Redman pass to 11. Number 11. Reserve sub. Redman. Tumira ng 3. Sabret. Koji out. San, alalayan mo lang. Oh, Koji out, Denver in. You stay in, Rani, until you get tired.
Tagalog, please.
Corner pass. Tumira ng 3. Binolding. Ay! Sino nakakuha? Ay! Si number 30 nakapulot ang tae. Reverse layup sa tulay. Rebound by number 11. Number 11. Nagawa. Up, 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 up. Bilangin ka. Rami, pass to Denver. Denver, back to Rami. Rami driving the lane. No foul. Stolen. Lumagpas yung sapatos. Rep sapatos lang yun eh. Number 13. Cross pass to number 12. Reserve shot. 3, 4, 5, safety. Number 3, inagaw na wala. Pass to number 11. Pass to Rami. Rami to mirror 3. 2 ball tied at 20. Step in. Sabi.
Jay, pasok na!
Practice lang, Rap.
Time out kami ha. Trip lang.
Ay, yung pa rin dyan, huwag ng gugulo, ha?
Time out kami. Pasok daw si Jay! Di ba pwede pasok?
Denver. Denver. Ay! Tapa yan. Not in my house. Sabi ni number 13. Number 13 yun. Number 7, Yago. Drop pass to number 3.
Patay ka kay Rami. Patay!
Ang number 10 by Rami. Sabi line.
Sayang!
Driving the lane. Reserve shot. Number 11. Pass to Denver. Denver. Hesitation. Tinira mo rin. Number 13. Rebound by number 13. Pass to number 12. Number 12. JP. Kinaliwa. Reserve timeout. Pag-devil. Redman. Redman. Uwi na lain. Sablay. Rebound. Die. Number 13. Inaalawan mo lang. Pass to JP. JP. Stolen by number 11. Long pass to Rami. Medyo bumugan na yun ah. Humihingi na naman. JD. Number 11 and number 12. 1-on-1. Up. Timeout. Team 1. Traveling without passport. JB hindi na traveling yun. Journey na yun.
Jay, pasok na!
Muntik na. 3 steps pa lang rep eh. Wala bang 4 steps?
Tara na.
O, paano? Uwi na kami.
Back to the building.
Taxi! Taxi ka na lang! Talo na, tapos nag-taxi pa. Yan.
Back to the building.
Pag natalo
Time
ka,
remaining.
screen ako sa'yo.
3 minutes and 34 seconds. Masyadong high score dito, 20 all. Number 11, Jay. Pasa sa ilalim. Sunny with the break. Sinawsaban, rebound by number 19. Pass to number 7, number 7. No look pass by number 13. Easy basket. Reserve sub. Reserve sub. JJ, tumira ng tres. Sablay. Number 7. Paso sa number 24. Number 24, tinaktak. Rebound by Sunny.
Baba, Jay! Baba!
Sunny, driving the lane. Tapal.
Baba, Jay!
Number 11. Hesi move. Speed move. Pasa kay Denver. Denver with a step back. Up. Stop. Number 11 out. Number 7, 15. Grabe at iyo ng patating rin natin niya. Kitang-kita. Kalabaw lang ang tumatanda. Number 7. Pass to number 6. 7-6. Number 12. JB13. Supply. Rebound time. Who's ball? Same ball. Stolen by Sally. Pass to number 17. Koji. Jump step. Ilista mo na yan para kay Koji. Reserve set tayo. Last 1 minute and 33 seconds. Number 6. Tulunan press. Rebound by JJ. Koji. Dadal na bola. Koji. Setting the play. Koji. Step back. Pressing. Tinira. Sablay. Lampas tayo number 7. Para kay number 7. Number 7. Dolukot. Masyadong mabilis ang pangyayari. Sabret. Ay. Shooter pala. Hindi ko matapos yung sentence ko. Masyadong mabilis yung pasahan.
Yay!
Kamay na kamay, Paul.
Ayaw mo naman sa kotse.
First shot. No good para natin. 13.
Bumaba ka!
Pagka-shoot, time out. Supply. Rebound by Lagno. Denver. Tumira ng 3. Rebound by number 24. Pass break para kay number 7. Idalay in. Easy pass yan para kay number 7. Number 7. 15 seconds. Last shot yan para sa White. 10 to shoot. Grabe yun! Aray na ang shot by Lagno. And the third quarter. Dikit na dikit. All 24 in favor of 24. Fourth quarter. Bola ng Brown.
Ako muna, para matibig yan. Toilet break pala. Malamig eh. Papalitan ka na naman trip eh.
Number 15. Pass to number 23. For Ethan Norwood. There's a pushing foul committed by number 2. First team foul, bench team. Number 3. Pass to number 11. Out of bounds. Number 15, Pujols. Looking for an opening pass. See, number 3. Pass to number 7. Number 7 on the way. Missed the shot. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Number 1 on the way. No good. Rebound by number 14. Number 14. Step back. Pass to number 1. Back to number 14 to number 12 for 3. Overshoots. Pass to Ethan. Ethan open for three. Shot. Number 11.
Ulam!
Pass to number 17 for three. In and out. Rebound by number 17. Pass to number 11. There's a foul committed by number 1. Second team foul. Bad team. Number 3, chop chop. Nice block by number 14. Time to shoot. Steal by number 7. Pass to number 14. Number 14 lays up. Shot. There's the foul committed by number 12. Substitution. Substitution.
Jamie, kukunin lang ako sa kotse.
Out number 12 and number 26.
Message ka na lang. Jay, pag mga 11, wala na ako. Umuwi na ako na.
Stop.
Kapagod na sila. Pahinga ko na. Nasok sa laro. Oh.
Number 3. Rebound by number 10. Forward pass to number 7. Number 7. Pull up for 3. No good. Rebound by number 17. Number 17. Nice fake. Number 22. Back to number 17. 14 to shoot. Number 11. Substitution. 8 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds. Rebound number 10. Pass to number 1. Steal by number 17. Number 17. Quick pass to number 7. Rubbing in violation.
May shooter. Ayaw ibigay dun sa 11. Pasok yung dalawa. Ay, wased ka.
Number 23. Payment. 3 points. Score 27-24. Number 3, stop, trap, back shot is good. 27-26.
One stop.
Number 10, go pass to number 1. Nice, go pass to number 13, 2 points. Time out, 19. Score 29-26. 3 minutes and 58 seconds time left in the fourth. White team, 1 timeout left. Back to the ball game.
Jay! Jay, tatlo lang kayo. Tatlo lang yan. Tatlo lang.
Number 11, open shot, too strong, out of bounds. Substitution. Ipasok.
Tatlo lang kayo. Tatlo lang yan. Depensa lang. One stop. Tagal pa yan.
Number 1. Pass to number 26, back to number 1. 14 to shoot. Number 26, nice extra pass. 2 points for number 10. Score 31-26. 5-point lead.
Kaya pa
Black
yan.
sheet. Number 11, pass to number 7. Number 7 drives. Basket counts.
Foul number 23.
Pure lang. Pure lang pala eh.
Running for penalty bench team. Bonus rule for number 7.
Denver, matagal pa yan.
Huwag ka magpapatay ng dribble.
One shot
Then,
lang.
pag lumapit, saka ka pumasa.
Rebound on the one. There's now holding foul committed by number 7. First team foul, white team. Number 1, setting the play. Pass to Santi. Open shot. 2 points by Santi. Score 33-28. 5-point lead bench team. Number 17. To number 3, ball fake. Lays up. No good. Rebound number 13. Pass to number 26. To number 9. 1 minute and 50 seconds. There's a foul. Number 11. Second team foul. White team. Third personal foul, number 11. Number 38, Bates. There's a traveling violation. 1 minute and 42 seconds. Number 17. There's a foul committed by number 26, penalty. 2 shots, number 17. First two connect. Second two ready for rebound.
Matagal pa yan.
Two out of two, score 33-30.
Tatlo lang yan, oh.
3-point lead, bench team.
One stop. Denver. Ayun, pumasok.
Number 1,
Ayun si ano.
pass to number 36, to number 10.
Baka maka...
Nice pass to number 1, underneath. 2 points for number 1. 35-30. Number 17. Pass to number 3, shot. Rebound by number 13. There's a foul committed by number 6. Third team foul, white. Timeout, white team. Back to the ball game. Brandon. 1 minute. 14 to shoot. Offensive foul number 23. 55 seconds. Number 17, pass to number 6. Back to number 17 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 3. Number 3, pass to number 11. Big shot for number 11. 35-33. Number 13. Out of bounds. 31 seconds. 31 35-32. Gumanda pa ang laban.
Pag nananayari ka naman. Ano, Abu Dhabi kwentuhan ito.
Penalty ng Brown Team ha. Penalty ng Brown Team. Back to the ball game. Penalty ng Brown Team. Penalty.
Oji! Ba't nilabas ko si Rami na trip eh?
Nice fake. It's the pass number 3. Number 3 goes. Basket. 23 seconds. Fifteen seconds. 10 seconds. There's a foul. There's a foul. Running for penalty. Running for penalty. 6 seconds. 6 seconds.
Mas ka dyan, nakaload yun.
Palo daw!
Seconds.
Palo daw!
5.
Patay.
1 second. 1 second.
Overtime.
Wala na pong time out.
Overtime pa oh.
Overtime.
Bakit mo sinut pa? Taxi ka na lang.
2 minutes overtime. 2 minutes.
Nag-overtime pa. Ganda rin ang ano, ganda ng laban eh. Kaya ano.
Stop time na. 2 minutes stop time. To shoot. Rebound number 12. Pass to number 7. Back to number 12. 14 to shoot.
Tira.
10.
Ilalim.
5 to shoot. Nice pass. 2 points. Number 24. Number 7, back to number 3, number 3. Pass to number 11, tabla na naman. 27 out. 1 minute.
Tapusin nyo na, late na si Adi.
14 seconds to shoot. Ethan! Wala! Rebound number 3. Extra pass. Nice break. Back to number 11 for 3. Overshoots. Rebound by number 3. Time to shoot.
Pasok pa.
15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5.
Patay.
Overtime na lang.
Overtime.
Okay.
Okay.
Kaya mo tapos. Sulit ah.
Bola ng bench. Bola ng bench. Kung sino daw unang makashoot, siya na yung panalo. Wala na tayong oras. Walang oras. Walang oras na gagamitin. Kung sino lang unang makashoot, sila yung panalo. May shot clock pa rin, pero walang oras. 24 pa rin. O pag-ball, penalty, free throw. Bench team, bench team.
Walang foul ah, oy. Walang foul, walang foul.
Wala pa, wala pa. Free throw eh.
Okay pa foul, walang foul, walang foul.
Penalty ball teams.
Sir, dito na lang pwede. Para... Pwede.
Okay, ready?
May shot clock tayo, may shot clock.
Stop, one stop.
On the ball. Number 1. For the win. Bang!
Parang limahan lang.
2 points. Up